Nagpal Industries, number 1 in corrugated machinery and technologies. Our state-of-the-art, semi-automatic corrugated box manufacturing plant, where precision meets efficiency in every step of production. This plant is designed to transform raw materials into high-quality corrugated boxes through a streamlined 6-step process, ensuring durability, accuracy, and speed. The process begins with the Oblique Type Corrugation Machine, which plays a crucial role in forming the foundation of our corrugated sheets. Using an oblique corrugation process, this machine enhances the flexibility and strength of the cardboard, ensuring that it can withstand the toughest packaging demands. The high-speed rollers shape the fluid profiles, bonding them with liner sheets through an advanced heating system, creating a strong and uniform corrugated board. Once the corrugated sheets are ready, they move to the auto sheet cutter machine, an advanced automation system designed for precise and efficient sheet cutting. This machine ensures that the corrugated boards are cut to the exact required dimensions, minimizing material wastage while maintaining high accuracy. The synchronized cutting mechanism allows smooth and continuous production, significantly improving workflow and reducing manual effort. Next, the cut sheets proceed to the sheet pasting machine, where adhesive is meticulously applied to bond multiple layers of corrugated sheets. This step is vital for creating strong, multi-layered cardboard structures that enhance the durability of the final product. The automatic gluing mechanism ensures uniform adhesion, providing a sturdy base for the subsequent processes in box manufacturing. After pasting, the sheets enter the bar Rotary Cutting Creasing Machine, where precise cutting and creasing take place. This machine is designed for high-precision tasks, using rotating bars to cut and crease the sheets according to box design specifications. The creasing lines help in easy folding during box assembly, ensuring a smooth finish and enhanced structural integrity. Following the cutting and creasing process, the sheets move to the eccentric slotting machine, which is responsible for creating accurate slots in the corrugated sheets. These slots are essential for forming the interlocking sections of the boxes, ensuring a perfect fit during final assembly. The machine's high-speed slotting mechanism ensures clean, precise cuts, maintaining the uniformity required for high-quality packaging solutions.
漂亮吗？然后这试了不同的响型是吧？等会儿。
Finally, the processed sheets reach the box stitching machine where the final assembly takes place. This machine stitches the boxes together using high-strength wire, adding durability and stability to the finished product. The stitching process ensures that the boxes remain intact during transportation and handling, making them ideal for various packaging applications. Together, these 6 machines create a seamless and efficient production line, transforming raw corrugated sheets into high-quality, durable packaging solutions. From corrugation to cutting, pasting, creasing, slotting, and stitching, each machine plays a vital role in maintaining precision and strength at every stage. Our semi-automatic corrugated box manufacturing plant is designed for maximum productivity, ensuring businesses can meet their packaging needs with reliability and efficiency. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +919810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.